students. Today I am going to explain about the financial market and instruments of money market. As in the previous class session, I told you about the methods of flotation under primary market. Now it is the second very important topic of this chapter, and it has the weightage of 6 marks in the board examination. So you should be attentive and you should watch the video to know about it. Okay, so it is the second chapter in part B, and it has the weightage of 7 marks, and altogether financial management and financial market have the weightage of 15 marks in the board examination. So again I am giving you the meaning of financial market. Financial market is a process in which the different public companies, joint venture companies can issue their securities in the capital market to get the financial assistance from them. Generally, the financial market provides the platform to the businessman to get financial support from there. That is why financial market provides the liquidity of the assets of different companies, and it is very helpful to provide the money at the time of requirement to the businessman. If it is regularly take place, then only the business activities of a businessman can be easily performed. Otherwise, financial crisis may take place. That is why some of the instruments are also present in the financial market, which helps the businessman to get the financial support. Now, today I will tell you about the money market and its instruments. So at first I am telling you the meaning of money market. Money market is a place, money market is a process in which the short-term securities of a company can be issued. As I told you, in money market, the businessman can issue the securities for a short period of time, and it will be for 1 year only. For more than 1 year, the businessman cannot issue their securities in the money market. That is why it is an important market which helps the businessman to fulfill the working capital requirements or daily needs of the business. As I told you, money market do not have any physical existence. That is why in which the businessman can issue their securities with the help of internet only. No any physical contact take place between company and the investors, in which the company can issue their securities by using the facility of internet, and also the investor can purchase it by using the demat account. Now, the instruments of money market are here. The first instrument is call money. Call money is also known as intercorporate deposit, which I explained in class 11th. But here call money is also called interbanking transactions, which take place between two different banks. If one bank faces shortage of fund to meet its CRR, then another bank can provide them financial assistance to meet the financial requirements. For example, Punjab National Bank have a shortage of rupees 20 lakh on Monday. So they can call to SBI to provide him 20 lakh rupees for one day. Generally, call money take place for a period of one day. If any type of gazetted holiday or Sunday take place in between, then it can be extended up to 10 days only, in which one bank provides the financial assistance to the another bank to fulfill its transactional need. That is why the call money plays an important role to meet or to fulfill the need of CRR, cash reserve ratio, and also the interest which take place over the call money is called call rate, which may be changed day to day or hours to hours. That is why call money is an important element of money market, which provide the financial assistance to the different commercial banks, in which one bank provide the financial assistance to the another bank for a short period of time. And the keywords of call money is to manage CRR, to provide financial assistance for a period of 1 to 10 days, and the interest rate which take place over the call money is called call rate, which may be changed day to day or hours to hours. So these 3 points you have to keep in your mind whenever any type of banking transaction is present in any of case study. Then you have to write about the call money, because the other instruments will not take place in the banks. Other instruments are present in the business organizations, but only call money is taking place between two different commercial banks. That is why call money is an important element of money market. And you should keep in mind that the duration of the instruments of money market will always less than 1 year, but in the case of call money it is very less, as 1 to 10 days only. So it is all about the call money. And the next instrument is treasury bill. Treasury bills are also called the zero coupon bond. It is a very important question and it came in the board examination many times. So at first we should know about the treasury bill. These are the bonds issued by RBI on the behalf of central government. Now we can take the example of present condition, COVID-19. In that particular emergency, like this situation, the government borrow the money from RBI, in which RBI issue the bonds to the general public, to the leading businessmen on the behalf of the central government, and provide the financial assistance to the central government, and central government can meet the emergency. Nowadays central government is investing lot of money to provide the health equipments to the general public. They are arranging all the health related instruments. For arranging these type of instruments, they require a large amount. That is why the companies are getting that is why the government is taking support from the RBI, and RBI is issuing the bonds of government to the leading businessmen as well as to the general public. And treasury bills are also called the zero coupon bond because it is issued by RBI at the lesser face value. Lesser face value means if the value of a share is rupees 250 rupees, then RBI can issue it in 200 rupees to the general public and the leading businessman. And after a period of 356 days, RBI will give face value of the shares or bonds to the general public as well as to the businessman. That's mean the RBI has to give 250 rupees to the investors. That is why it is called zero coupon bond, because it is issued at lesser face value to the investors. So students, the duration of treasury bills is also take place between 14 to 356 days, in which the government get the financial support from RBI, and RBI issue the securities to the general public and leading businessmen and provide the financial assistance through the central government. So students, it is all about the two instruments of money market, and later on I will discuss about the rest three elements of money market in the Zoom class. So if you have any problem related to this session, you may ask your queries on my personal number. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.